Welcome to MS Craftshop. This is my first video of the year and I want to wish you all the best. May this year bring joy, peace, creative fulfillment and self-satisfaction. Thank you once again for your wonderful comments and support last year. Thank you to all new subscribers and viewers. Because of all of you, I'm inspired to work harder and create more exciting new projects this year. Are you making New Year's resolutions and plans for the year ahead? I've already decided to take a different approach. I had planned to spend 10 wonderful days celebrating Christmas with my family in Poland, but I spent 5 days sick in bed. As you can hear, I have still not fully recovered. Over the years, I have learned that life often has its own plans, and we have little control over what tomorrow may bring. This is why I am choosing not to make any New Year's resolutions this year, so I can avoid unnecessary frustration and stress. Instead, I will do my best to ensure my channel continues inspiring and delighting you. If you follow my channel, you know that I started the 11th Hour Christmas Gift series a few weeks ago. We created 4 simple album bases, and today I will present 2 fully decorated albums. Let's begin with the Waterfall mini photo album. In fact, this particular album resembled a finished project, with only the cover decoration and the closure left to complete. I didn't make any changes to the inside, keeping it clear and simple. I focused on the cover, where I added ribbon in 2 shades of green, and some easy decoration on both the front and back sides made from scraps of paper. The mirror gold paper enhances the design, giving the album a festive Christmas feel. I used my winter scrapbooking paper collection, Snowy Valley, to decorate the second album. I created a decoration for the cover using extras to cut, which I mounted with foam tape of varying thicknesses. This helped me to achieve a lovely 3D effect. As you may recall, I used Kraft paper with 2 different colors on each side to create the album's base. As you can see, the color difference is no longer visible when scrapbooking paper and other embellishments are added. Enjoy the rest of the walkthrough. I hope you will like the album. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I will see you soon with another presentation, which will be available shortly on my channel. Cheers!